In today's Kali workout, we're going to be focusing on the Abanico, or also known as the Watik striking technique. We need a pair of sticks because we're also going to be alternating between our Abanico strikes and some triangle footwork. I love doing my Kali workouts like this, where I'm doing a little bit of technique work on the strikes, but I'm also getting technique work done with the feet as well. If you need a pair of sticks, head over to KaliCenter.com, go check out our store, and go ahead and order a pair or two right there. Otherwise, let's grab our gear and let's get to today's workout. Let's begin with a little bit of a warm-up. We're gonna warm up the wrists because we're doing a lot of wrist movements with our Abanicos, with our Watiks. So we're gonna start off with our hands about shoulder height, elbows are bent, and we're rotating the sticks forward. You're gonna see that I have a closed grip here. I am not opening my hand like this. The grip is closed, and I'm letting the momentum of the sticks rotate my wrists. Okay, so this is kind of more of the beginner version of this exercise, where the elbow is bent and the hands are at shoulder height. Let me get this going right here. If you work your way down the sticks, just tuck them underneath, switch the sticks, re-grab them, and go again. Now, a little more advanced version of this exercise for wrist rotations is we're going to straighten the arms and do the exercise again. This time with straight arms. If you find that to be difficult, then bring your elbows back in and do it from here until you're developing that wrist flexibility. But if you want that challenge, straighten the arms and rotate. Alrighty, let's do some arm circles here. Going forward, again, just letting the momentum of the sticks bring the arms around. All right, and the other way. Let's go backwards. Alrighty, let's go ahead and grab both our sticks and just get a little bit of twisting with the spine. You notice I'm coming up to my toes here. Work a little bit into the ankles as well. A little bit of that internal rotation in the hip. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and finish up with some knee rotations. Just going as deep as you can, and you want your knees to come over the toes. And just go as deep as you can go. Just do about 10 or so. I'm not the best counter. I just kind of do it until it feels good. And then, of course, the other way. Alrighty, let's put one stick down. We won't need it for right now. We'll use it when we come back to the footwork. So our first Abanico or Watik. Abanico means fan. It's the fanning motion of the weapon. Watik means flick. It's the flicking motion of the weapon. And these are interchangeable terms. Different styles of Filipino martial arts will use the different terms, Abanico or Watik. So don't get too wrapped up on the terminology here. That's not the focus. The focus is the training. So we have what's called our number 1 Watik and our number 2 Watik, or our high horizontal Watiks. And you're going to see how the shoulder rotates and the elbow comes across the face. Number 1, number 2. Number 1, the Watik strikes over the right shoulder. Number 2, the Watik strikes over the left shoulder. And we get this going here. And we're still rotating the hips and shoulders. And we're just doing some practice ones right now, just to get used to the motion, and then we're going to get into the workout. All the variations of the Watiks that we're going to be working today are going to be based off of this motion right here. We're going to change the elevation. So let's do some practice ones in the right hand for a few seconds here. And let's switch hands and let's do some practice ones with the left hand. Let's kind of get things moving. Make sure that elbow is coming across and that shoulder is opening and closing. Open and close. And keep that other hand at the plexus ready to go. Alrighty, let's switch. Alright, so we have our 1 and 2 Watiks. We're going to do 20 of them. So we have 1, 2 right here, all the way up to 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Strike a 1 and a 2 for 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to the Watiks for another set of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to our 1s and 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And last set, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last set of 1s and 2s. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right there. All right, let's go ahead and create a forward triangle on the ground with our sticks. And we're going to work the open triangle here. We're going to step into the point and then back out to the base. Into the point, back out to the base. Let's just rep this out here for 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alrighty. Let's grab our single stick. This time, on this round, we have our low horizontal Watiks. So we're striking low, just like this. Okay? We got 20 of them. Then we're going to come up on the angles 3 and 4 between each set of our low Watiks or Abanicos. So we're doing 3 sets here. Start off nice and slow on the first set. Going for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 into our 3s and 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We also call that our upward figure 8. All right, set number 2. A little faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20 into our upward figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Faster, third round. Blast it. Let's go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 13, 16, 18, 20. Woo! All right, back down to our forward triangle. All right, we're gonna start at the left side of the base. We got 20 reps. We're going all the way around the triangle this time for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Alrighty. Alrighty. Kick that one off to the side here. Okay, this round we're doing diagonal Watiks. So pay close attention here. We're striking high. Then we're going to strike low. Then we're going to strike low. And then we're going to strike high. So we have 4 Watiks here per each repetition. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. We're going to do a set of 10. So we're going to do all 4 strikes 10 times. Then between those, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonal slashes. Okay? Let's start off. First set, nice and slow here. Let's go. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 through 4 cuts. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right there. Second set, a little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into the cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alrighty. And last one, let's go. Gotta speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! All right. Alrighty, let's go back into our forward triangle, starting at the right side of the base this time. And we're going all the way around for 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, alrighty. Now from here, it's up to you. Repeat this workout and do the whole thing. You gotta figure it out. through the whole workout on the left-hand side this time. Okay? Everything that we just worked, the highs, the lows, and the diagonals. Okay? Work them all out, and between each round of the weapons, rework that forward triangle footwork. After going through this workout at least 2 to 3 times per week for a month, you're gonna have some beast mode Watiks and Abanicos. For further detailed training and exclusive video lessons, head over to KaliCenter.com. Join us now inside our new online school. If you have any questions about our online training or online school, go ahead and send me an email via the email system at KaliCenter.com. And remember, if you need a pair of sticks, go ahead and grab them at our store while you're at KaliCenter.com. And if you like workouts like this, where they kind of follow along guided workouts, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed here to Kali Center, and I'll catch you back here next time.